This is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and beans lower on the day while wheat finished higher. Mixed again so far this morning with corn lower while beans and wheat are higher. Again, you got first notice day coming up this Friday, which means if you're long the market, you need to be out by Thursday. Otherwise, you'll be subject to delivery. Funds also have to reduce their positions down to 600 contracts. Each fund, that is, not funds as a whole, but each fund has to reduce their positions by 600 contracts by Thursday as well. So could see a little activity based in the market on that. As far as weather goes right now, not really a whole lot of concern. If there is any concern at all, it's that it might be a little too wet. That could slow down some harvest, especially down south. We'll have to see how that pans out. But as far as impacting the crop right now, not a whole lot of huge concern. There is some talk of sudden death syndrome for the soybean market. It might be why we're a little higher so far this morning. It's just maybe a few concerns on that. But yields are coming in from the southern harvest as far as soybeans go, and they're great. Prospective yields up here in the Midwest are expected to be great as well. So not a whole lot of concern right now. We'll see if this sudden death syndrome story gets some legs, picks up, and actually does start to affect the crop quite a bit. If it does, we'll let you know. As of right now, it's just a little talk going on. Haven't heard just too much about it yet. Not worth any more time than we've already spent on it so far this morning. Again, if that does change, we'll let you know. But moving forward, there was a purchase of wheat this morning. I believe it was Taiwan. I might be wrong on that. But they think the U.S. wheat is a little too expensive right now. So we'll have to see if that continues to be the theme on the world stage. If it does, we could see a little bit of a setback in the wheat market to try and get a little more competitive in the export market. Again, we'll see how that plays out moving forward and definitely let you know how that affects prices and what we expect the market to do. But other than that, that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services, broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.